Guys, Eric from Ziebart. We're going to talk about our proprietary Ziebart window tint. Today, we just got done doing this 2020 GLC 63S bi-turbo AMG Mercedes. It is a nice car. This actually comes factory tinted on the back half of the vehicle. It was factory 20%. This customer wanted to go darker, so we actually did 5% on the front, and we overlaid the rear with another 20%, so it can kind of match it 5% all the way around. This car is great. It looks awesome. We do have trained and certified technicians. Like I said, this window tint is backed by a nationwide lifetime warranty against discoloring, delamination, peeling, stuff like that. So guys, I got a funny story. I'm sure we've all tried the $20 limo tint at Pep Boys. This is nothing like that. We've all tried it at home. I did it when I was 18 years old. It looked like crap, but I was so proud of it. We definitely take our time. We make sure the windows are clean as possible. This is all platter cut. It's specific for your vehicle. We don't cut on cars. It's all platter cut. It already comes out as a template. We weed it out and we install it. So this is a finished product. If you want to walk around and take a look at it. So luckily on this car, it doesn't have that automatic drop-down window. Hey guys, so contact any of our store locations, ask us about our window tint, and yeah, thanks for watching the video guys, take care.